What's up, guys? Welcome back to another electric skateboard video, and today is a very exciting video, at least for me. Today we are announcing our very own complete electric skateboard. We call it the MBoards Interstellar. It features a 30-mile-per-hour top speed, a 30-mile range, 3 speed modes, cruise control, and it is fully upgradable using any electric skateboard parts you want. But why does this board even exist? As the owner of MBoards, I get thousands of emails from people who are looking to fix their boards from brands that no longer exist. And I sadly have to tell them that the part they're looking for isn't being produced anymore. And because the part they're looking for doesn't exist anymore, and the parts that they still do have on their board all have proprietary connectors, I can't even really suggest a equivalent replacement part for them because all the connectors are different and there's a whole bunch of different proprietary nonsense going on within their board. Which leads me to telling them that they either have to replace their board completely or at the very least gut all the electronics and pretty much start over. But it does not have to be this way, and that's where the Interstellar comes in. It's a complete board that embraces the customer's freedom of choice. There's literally nothing proprietary about this board, and that's why it's so awesome. You aren't stuck in any kind of product ecosystem or anything like that. If you decide that you want to go in a completely different direction with your board, you totally can. If you decide that you don't like it anymore and want to use different parts from a different e-skate shop, you totally can. And if one day MBoards no longer exists, every single one of our riders will be able to find replacement parts from almost any e-skate shop. And the reason why parts are so easy to get for this board in particular is because we've used community decided standards. So the DIY community has really adopted very specific measurements for a whole bunch of different stuff, and we've taken all that into consideration when designing this board. So if you need to replace your ESC, no problem. You want to upgrade your battery? Easy. You can utilize the massive open enclosure to do what you want. The Interstellar is pretty much feature proof. Okay, but the specs though. The specs are what you guys all care about, right? Well, this is an awesome board with an awesome set of specs. Like I said before, this board has a 30-mile-per-hour top speed and a 30-mile range. And the board is also built with a really solid parts list, which includes a huge 10S 4P Samsung 30Q pack, one of the best electric skateboard, open source, VESC-based ESC on the market, a solid feature-packed remote, large 97mm wheels, nice wide trucks for stable high-speed riding, and a pair of beefy 2450-watt motors. At the end of the day, we really just designed a board that we really wanted to ride every day, and this is what we came up with. Okay, so if you're like me and would rather build it yourself, we have a kit version too. So if you like to build or want to save a little bit of money, the kit version is definitely where it's at. If you do opt to get the kit over the complete board, we do have a really solid step-by-step video on how to put it together and get you up and running within a couple of hours. The kit also comes with all the tools you need, so if you're someone who doesn't own a ton of tools, it's okay. You can definitely get this board put together easily. And if programming ESC scares you, we actually do offer a pre-programmed ESC version, so if you want us to program it for you, we can do that as well. Our goal here at MBoards has always been to eliminate all the guesswork and as many of the pain points as far as building goes as humanly possible. And with the Interstellar kit, I really feel like we've eliminated almost all the pain points when it comes to building. And we're really proud of how the whole thing goes together. Our goal is also to make sure that everyone has a clear upgrade path and a clear way to repair their boards if needed. We really want to make sure that no one has to jump through these proprietary nonsense hoops that a lot of these production boards have to deal with. When you have a minute, please go check out our assembly video. I feel like the whole board goes together pretty well. I'd love for you guys to take a look at it and check it out. If you guys have any questions about this build or the boards in general, drop them in the comment section below. We're very active down there and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. I've also left a link in the description for all the stuff we've talked about today, so please check that out. It helps support the channel, helps keep these videos coming, and helps bring more free information to you guys, so we really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.